If you're ready to make AI your superpower, welcome. Every video gives you new tools, new tricks, and simple shortcuts to level up your workflow instantly. No fluff, no geek talk, just practical power you can use today.
Imagine running your business, but instead of spending your evenings chasing invoices, checking payments, and fixing spreadsheets, everything just runs quietly in the background. Your invoices send themselves, your expenses organize themselves, and at any moment you can open one dashboard and instantly know how your business is doing. That's the system I wish someone showed me when I started. Because when I first started working for myself, my business system was basically chaos. Spreadsheets everywhere, random notes on my phone, and constant anxiety about whether I'd forgotten to send an invoice. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I run my business as a solo founder today, the workflow that keeps everything organized, and the tool that completely changed how I manage my finances. If you're a freelancer, creator, or running a small business on your own, this video is going to be super useful because I'm breaking down the actual system I use behind the scenes to manage clients, payments, and money without drowning in admin work. And quick heads up, this video is in partnership with Xero, which is one of the tools that powers my workflow. I'll show you exactly how I use it in a second. But first, let me show you what my business used to look like before I fixed my system. When you start a business by yourself, most people think the hard part is finding clients. But honestly, the real challenge is managing everything after you get them. One week you're sending invoices, the next week you're trying to track expenses, then suddenly it's tax season and you're digging through months of transactions wondering where your money even went. I remember sitting at my desk late at night trying to reconcile payments with invoices while switching between my bank app and a messy spreadsheet. And the worst part? I always felt like I might be missing something important. That's when I realized something that changed the way I run my business. If your systems are messy, your business will always feel stressful. So I decided to simplify everything. Instead of juggling 5 different tools and spreadsheets, I wanted one place where I could see the financial side of my business clearly. And that's when I started using Xero. If you're not familiar with it, Xero is a cloud-based accounting platform built for small businesses. Think of it as the control center for your business finances. Now, whenever I work with a new client, the process is ridiculously simple. I create an invoice directly inside Xero, send it in seconds, and the platform automatically tracks whether the payment has been made. If a client forgets to pay, the system sends reminders automatically. That alone saves me from those awkward, just following up emails we all hate sending. But the part that really changed things for me is visibility. Because I can connect my bank account, all my transactions sync automatically. Instead of manually categorizing every expense, most of it gets organized instantly, and I can see exactly where my money is going. That means at any moment, I can open my dashboard and see my cash flow, my revenue, and the overall health of my business without digging through spreadsheets, and honestly, that peace of mind is huge. One thing nobody tells you about running a business is how important clarity is. When you don't understand your finances clearly, it's almost impossible to make confident decisions. You hesitate to invest in tools, you hesitate to hire help, and sometimes you even hesitate to take on bigger opportunities. But when everything is organized and visible, your mindset changes completely. Instead of guessing, you're operating with real numbers. And for me, having a system like Xero running quietly in the background means I can spend more time doing the things that actually grow the business, creating, working with clients, and building new ideas, not chasing paperwork. If you're running a freelance business, building a startup, or even just starting your journey as a creator, one of the smartest things you can do early is set up systems that remove unnecessary stress. For me, simplifying the financial side of my business made everything feel lighter and easier to manage. And tools like Xero are a big part of that. If you want to try it yourself, there's a special offer available for viewers of this video. Right now, you can get 90% off for 6 months using the link in the description. It's a great way to test whether a system like this can make running your business easier too. And if you enjoyed this video and want more content about building and running a business as a solo founder, make sure you subscribe because I share a lot of the systems and lessons I've learned along the way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.